What up, good people? The cat is out the bag. Man,
ArtOfSpeedd.
as you know, I sold the Ram. So the cat is out the bag. So my new vehicle is, I bought a Hyundai Elantra Sport. To bring it to the channel, man, I'm kind of sad that the Ram left. So I had to bring another vehicle to the channel. And this one is the Hyundai Elantra Sport 2018. Man, I got a great deal on it. I was like, yo, I have to get this. Man, one is Elantra Sport and the Genesis is a track model. So I have two sporty vehicles in my possessions. I got the Elantra Sport and I got the Gen Coupe 3.8 track model. So I'm pretty excited to have these vehicles. Man, so when I was looking, I was like, yo, I'm bringing something else to the channel. What I'm gonna bring? So I never did a review on the Elantra Sport. I always did a review like on the SE or the SEL. Never did a review on the Elantra Sport. So I was like, man, I heard things about it. I wanted to check it out. I drove it. I was like, yo, I love it. So let's go ahead and bring the Elantra Sports to the channel. This one is the black on black. So yeah, the cat is out the bag. I got a lot of, I know you probably say, come on, ArtOfSpeedd. You keep saying you got a lot of tricks up the sleeves for these cars, and next thing I know, you're gonna sell it again. This time, I'm not gonna sell this vehicle. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna do some things to it. We're gonna keep it on the low. What I'm gonna say, I'm already saying too much because I done said too many things about the Sonata that I had. I did little things to it. Then I said I was gonna do some things to the Ram. I did a little things to it. We're just bringing the Elantra Sport to the channel. I'm pretty excited. Hit that B-roll real quick.